minute. Last 1 minute. Okay guys, last 50 seconds bago mag-analog shutdown. So basically the reason why we shut down analog broadcasting is because nobody uses analog broadcasting. Walang nag-use ng analog broadcasting. Oh my god, ilang oras na lang, 30 seconds na lang. Okay, second call. Why will analog broadcasting end? I only know less of it.
誰かこの状況を撮ってる。
Dahil
みんな撮っちゃってもらってから。
ayun na, 15 seconds na lang. What's the time na?
バツンと切れましたね。
The analog broadcasting you are watching has already ended.